What if Earth's gravity suddenly doubled in a single instant?
At first, our hearts, lungs, and muscles would fight against a force they cannot endure.
Our bodies would feel twice as heavy, crushing our bones and straining our hearts.
Even trees would snap, and birds could no longer take flight.
Bridges, towers, and cities would buckle under the impossible load. Airplanes would lose lift, spiraling helplessly into the sea. Birds flapping in vain before crashing.
Seas would rise, crashing down with unstoppable force. Even the strongest symbols of safety would fall.
Curious about the mysteries of tomorrow? Hit subscribe and join me for more mind-bending sci-fi stories.